Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on a perfect Kanjipuram soft silk with a beautiful jari pallu. We have a contrast color for the pallu, a dual color, orange and red mixed color with jari work, completely gold jari used here. The whole saree comes with the jacquard border in both sides, beautiful big border and a plain blouse piece in pallu color. The saree is in tassa color, almost a sandy, half white. Beautiful one. You can see the borders are done in a base color of pallu, jacquard border. And you can see the half white mid portion. On top we have a border in pen kalamkari and lower half we have the very pretty pen kalamkari monolithic work. Beautiful figures done excellently. We brought it to the older period. Excellent work. The color choices is completely natural. Only the vegetable natural colors are used. A pure form of pen kalamkari traditional hand weaving and hand painted saree done on pure soft silk using a natural color dyes. The saree comes with authentic silk marks. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjipuram soft silk with jacquard border. A very beautiful pallu, a contrast color, peacock neck blue and green mixed color pallu with jari work. And you can see the borders in both sides. The whole saree has the border, jacquard border, almost a big border one. Gold jari used completely with a plain blouse piece with both sides jacquard border as well. The saree is done on a base light green color. Color of the saree is being beautifully changed. And the top we have beautiful hand painted butta work, and the lower half we have the monolithic work done on base maroon color. You see the Kolatam design, excellent one. The traditional Kolatam pattern is described here using hand work, completely hand written and hand painted using natural vegetable dyes. The borders are given in the pallu color itself. Beautiful jacquard gold jari border, which is very rich and beautiful saree. A pure form of pen kalamkari traditional work done on pure Kanjipuram soft silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. It's a completely natural color dyed saree. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on a Kanjipuram soft silk. Beautiful contrast border, jari worked pallu. You can see the beautiful color. It's a copper sulphate blue color pallu with gold jari work. Beautiful jacquard borders in both sides. The whole saree has the jacquard border, even the blouse piece. Blouse piece in pallu color, plain one. The saree is in a very pretty base color, mild green, pastel green. On the top and bottom we have the pen kalamkari hand painting work, the village concept, beautifully hand painted, completely hand written and hand painted. See the complete lifestyle of the village people depicted excellently on the hand painting in the lower border. We also have a jacquard border in pallu base color in both sides, and we also have a beautiful top border that is in red base color. Excellent saree, excellent work of hand painters, beautiful work, perfect pen kalamkari done on perfect soft silk, which is coming with authentic silk. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjipuram soft silk with a very beautiful jacquard border, gold jari used in the complete saree. We have a beautiful contrast pallu here, orange and red mixed color with beautiful work, completely gold jari weaving it is with a plain blouse piece, and we have jacquard borders in both sides. The complete saree has a jacquard border that is very rich on base pallu color. You can see the beautiful base color, sandal, half white color saree here with a border design in the top and a very beautiful pen kalamkari monolithic work in the bottom. You can see the Urvalam type work. So completely a beautiful work. You can see the princess going on a sapparam, what we call in Tamil. You can see the work. Inch by inch it is beautifully hand painted. Traditional pen kalamkari, hand written and hand painted one, completely done using natural vegetable dyes. You can see the color yourself, very pretty. Perfect work, completely a pure form of pen kalamkari done using natural color dyes on a pure Kanjipuram soft silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure form of pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjipuram soft silk. An excellent work with a contrast pallu, a peacock neck blue and green mixed color pallu with gold jari weaving. Jacquard border is given in the whole saree. Very beautiful gold jari border. You can see the same pallu color blouse piece with both sides jacquard border. The saree is in base a greenish half white color. The borders are in the pallu color base, and you can see the beautiful border design work in the top, and a very pretty monolithic work, base maroon color in the bottom, a beautiful dancing design, a perfect monolithic work. You can see the sculptures in the temples, old temples, beautiful one. The work is very perfect, completely hand painted using natural color dyes. A pure form of pen kalamkari done using natural color dyes, vegetable dyes on a pure Kanjivaram soft silk. The saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk. The soft silk comes with beautiful kanji type jacquard border in both sides, done using gold jari. We have a perfect and pure pallu here in a dual shade color. This peacock neck blue with weaving in gold jari, and we have a plain blouse piece in pallu color, both sides jacquard border. The saree is done on base maroon color, a reddish maroon color. We have very beautiful work, almost a leaf pattern almost in the top, and the lower half is done using the Urvalam pattern again. Beautiful princess on Urvalam, a monolithic work. It is taking us to the older periods. Very perfect work. You can see the figures. Minute work, completely hand painted using natural vegetable color dyes. The borders are done on the pallu color itself. A pure form of pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with jacquard borders using natural vegetable dyes. And the saree comes with authentic silk marks. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a jacquard border, completely done using gold jari weaving, beautiful border, and we have a contrast pallu, a dark magenta pink color pallu with excellent gold jari work weaving it is, and we have a plain blouse piece with both sides jacquard border, plain blouse piece it is in pallu color. And the saree is in a very pretty color, beautiful natural color in the top. You can see the color, it is almost a peachy pink color, and we have the borders done on pink again. Here we have the monolithic work done using hand painting. You can see the base color in grey, almost greenish grey color. The monolithic work is very perfect. You can see the figures. It is bringing us to the older periods. Beautiful work, completely hand written and hand painted using natural color dyes. A perfect form of pen kalamkari done on a pure form of kanji soft silk, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. And the saree is done using natural color, that is an extra advantage of the saree. Thank you. Pure pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with a jacquard border, beautiful kanji type jacquard border, completely done using gold jari, and we have a gold jari weaved pallu, a dual color pallu, pink and orange mixed color, the same color blouse piece is given with both sides jacquard border itself. The saree comes with a beautiful border work with base color on the pallu. You can see the mustard yellow color top, and we have bottom in the monolithic work. Completely natural color dyes are used here. You can see it visibly. The monolithic work is very perfect. You can see the dancing pattern. It is bringing us to the older periods. Excellent traditional form of pen kalamkari writing work and hand painted work, completely done using hand natural vegetable dyes. Very perfect and pure form of traditional pen kalamkari done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with authentic silk marks.